What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking on a Budget UK. If you're watching this, chances are you've already got one of these IKEA Skarande knife sharpeners. Skarande? I can't pronounce it. I'm an absolute caveman who still eats mashed potatoes with my fingers. But if you haven't got one of these, I strongly suggest getting one. Pop yourself down to IKEA. I think they're about £8. Picked mine up yesterday because I've got a whole bunch of knives in the drawer that are just absolutely blunt as anything. Right, so to get right into it then, if you have a look on the bottom, there's a catch. You can open it up and that just opens up the cover. You pop your water in the bottom there. There's three grinding stones on it. Your coarse one, your medium one, and then your fine one. If you've got blunt knives like me, just literally work your way down the three. First off, let's fill this with water. Alright, now you've got your water in the bottom there. Pop your cover back on. Just literally push it down like so. The reason you're sticking water in the bottom is just to make sure that the blade stays cool, because you put in metal across a grinding stone. It's obviously going to get hot. There's two knives here. It works with any type of knives. You've got your standard Tesco's cheapie. I've had this several years. It is absolutely blunt as anything. And then these ones here, a lot better. Chef's knives, however, it is still blunt. So we'll go ahead, get them both on. Make sure you've got a damp cloth to hand as well, just to wipe them off afterwards. So first off then, get your knife. Get a hold of your thing on the handle at the top. Put it in. If you have a look, the rollers are kind of off at an angle. That's just so that it catches both sides. Put it in 15 to 20 times, backwards and forwards. Not too much pressure. Try to leave it as flat as you can. Right, once you've gone about 15 to 20 there, just literally put on to your next one. Moving down the stones, literally 1, 2 and 3 in order, keeping it flat. Keeping it straight as you can, 15 to 20 times. And then, last but not least, onto the fine one. This is what's going to get all the sort of grinding marks out of it. Get it nice and sharp, 15 to 20 times. That's done there. Just get your blade. You want to wipe it off because you get all the, you can't really see it on there, but there's a lot of sort of like dirt, metal bits on there. There we are, nice and sharp. Works with the other knives as well. This is a better chef's knife. That's just the Tesco's cheapie, so if that works, this will definitely work. Same again, keeping it as flat as possible so you don't catch the metal, catch the plastic guard. It's literally 15 to 20 times. Not too much pressure. You put too much pressure on, it's just going to break the wheels that are in there. That should do it. Let's get that wiped off. There you are, that's what I was on about, the bit from the knife on there. Oh, that's sharp. Well, this thing, I literally picked it up yesterday, £8. Absolutely brilliant. I did most of my knives yesterday. These are the ones that I use the most. Definitely worth getting. Usually a fan of IKEA stuff. It's like, for what it is, I think it's overpriced crap. There's much better places you can get things from at a lot better prices. But this thing, I think it's definitely worth it, £8. Can't go wrong. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.